It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.